This conference will now be recorded.
Hi guys, good morning. This is SonicR Mastery team. We are on week number 15. It's on the date of 9th of April. It's around 11:20 a.m. in the morning. Okay, so as you can see from the screen, okay, for Monday and Tuesday, we do not have, today is Tuesday, yeah, we do not have much things going on in terms of news, right? And especially we in terms of like a big news, right? We will only be having on late Wednesday night, which is gonna be a FOMC, and of course as well as tomorrow we have some ECB item will be coming up. So there's like a, I would like to give you guys a caution that whatever happened on yesterday and today, please do not get carried over in terms of my market movement, because market might be moving in one particular direction in a very big way, but just to pull back or swing around when the news is released or when the information is released. So I don't want you guys to get caught in the middle of the reversal. So please be aware of that. And as you can see from the screen, we will be having a two major item. Actually, it's three. The first one is FOMC on early Thursday, late Wednesday rather, right? Another one is on the Wednesday, right? We have a ECB item, and last but not least, the third one will be on Thursday. We have an OPEC meeting. So OPEC meeting will have a quite a big impact on the oil price, in my opinion, right? For sure, right? So these are the three major items that I want you to look out for. So since we are talking about FOMC, let's talk a little bit about gold here, right? So let's move to gold. Okay, as you can see from the screen, gold is doing really well as we expected, right? As we have written about going gold being bullish or going up to $1,300 yesterday, right? It really just nice. It really went up to 1,300 level yesterday. And okay, currently what they are having right now is that, of course, because the reason I'm saying about 1,300, 1,304 is this level is kind of like a it's like a resistant level per se. So you can see that it have been rejected once already. So but we cannot say that it will be like a bearishness coming in or anything like that yet, because the candle of the daily candle is, we are not seeing anything to be bearish about just yet, right? So I'm expecting market can go up higher, but in order for them to rise a lot higher, right, we will need to make sure this region of 1303, 1308, around this region have to be broken up very strongly in the making, right? So if they broke up strongly, then we can say that, okay, we are okay to go to TP2, which is around like 1318 level, 1316, 1318 level. Another one will be around 1326 level or 1323 level. Okay, so stay bullish for now, all right, but please watch out to make sure, okay, we have to this guy have to break through this 13002 to 1308 level first. Okay, so there's a little bit caution in it as well, but as of now, I'm stay standing with the bullishness. Okay, okay, let's talk about British pound US dollar. Okay, the issue with the British pound US dollar is that the market itself is also not sure where it's going to go, because this is not exactly the data driven, it's more of the event driven, right? So what is happening right now is that they are trying to like do their best to consolidate. It can go up and it can go down for sure. It's almost like a I would say 50-50 chance, right? 50-50 chance of like going up and going down. But if you ask me to wait on this one particular side, right, I will say that they may have some chance to go up higher. So it's like since the probability is not so high, if you are trading on the British pound US dollar for this case, right, I will suggest you to trade with a very big caution, and of course with a lower lot sizing and stuff like that, because the probability is not so high over there. Either direction that you use, okay, doesn't matter. You can be long, you can be short, you can be right as well, but there's a high chance that you can go wrong as well. Yeah. So this is what I want to mention. Okay, another one is the U.S. market. Okay, U.S. market last Friday we have a typically decent looking bearish like a pin bar showing up, right? So what they are doing right now is they are kind of like making a pullback right now. So in my opinion, they might be going over and make a pullback further, all right? Okay, I cannot say like how fast they're gonna pull back, but looks like I think they have a very high tendency of going back to this region, all right? Is around like just nice around like 25,900, 26,000 level, all right? So this level might be the level that it can go back down to. So if you're looking for a long, I would suggest that you can wait at a lower level first, so you can wait it out a little bit, and you can even get in the lower level. So for now, I would suggest you not to, go ahead and take a long first, because market can go down a little bit lower first, so that you might suffer some drawdown if you are going ahead and long at the moment. All right. So basically, I have covered British pound, US dollars. I have covered gold. Gold, remember, I'm staying bullish, right? There's a question on a certain level. And British pound, I'm saying that almost 50-50. And US market, I'm expecting it may do some sort of pullback first, okay? Because the price action was not really supporting on the bullish side anymore. Okay, another one I want to talk about is oil here. All right, since we talk about oil. In fact, we have been bullish on oil for quite some time, right? We have been bullish for quite some time. We are not right all the time for sure, right? We have been bullish, but we have been bullish for oil for actually quite some time since the early 2019. There are times that we are right, there are times that we are wrong as well. But of course, we are right more often than we are wrong per se, right? So now I think the oil they can go up a little bit higher first, even though we are getting into a very very dangerous territory per se, because you can see the recent way of like going up. You can see the very steep up move, right? This is kind of like a sort of like a not so sustainable per se. Okay, so when you are trading, okay, please make sure you aware of this kind of like aggressiveness. Sometimes market get too aggressive, right? They can come down too aggressively as well. You remember what happened on the later part of the last year, you see. So this is what you have to aware of. So market is not all about rainbow and sunshine, right? I'm sure you are already aware of that. So anyway, for now, I think oil can slightly drift up higher. I think the better resistance, in my opinion, somewhere around 66.5 to 70, 66.5 plus to 67.5, around this region will be a better level in my opinion. So my suggestion to you is that if you're looking for a short, I think it's too early for you to do so. Okay, because the market might have a bit of like up move to go up to, because currently we are being very bullish. So I think market can go drift up higher first. Okay, so thank you very much for watching. I will see you guys next week. Okay, all the best with your trading, guys. Please make sure to watch out on the FOMC on middle of the week, because this can be a game changer. All right, so thank you very much. Thank you for listening, guys.
All right, and over my end, I'll be talking about the Euro Canadian dollars, which I'm seeing a temporarily bullish setup in it. Right, so as you can see over here, we are seeing some kind of like a higher high. All right, so we have a higher high, and then price is doing a very healthy uptrend. So this right now, what we are seeing is that price is back at its support at 1.498. So long as this support is still holding on to the price, we should see price goes up further. Of course, the first resistance level that we should look out for would be this level over here, whereby you can see that previously price was rejecting this level strongly. Okay, so if price were to break up this level strongly, then we should see price goes all the way towards the next resistance level at 1.50869. Okay, so the other pair that I would like to talk about would be the Swiss franc to Japanese yen, which seems like it's showing a bearishness, rejections coming in at the resistance level at the 111.7 level. So with that, I'm also bearish on that. So looking at it, the first support level that we should look up for would be this level at 110.5, where you can see this is where price gets rejected previously. So if you shorted it, look to exit at this area, and if price were to break below, we should see price goes all the way down towards the next support level at 109.5. Alright, so this is all we have over our end. Thank you for watching and have a nice day ahead. Goodbye.